Alright, so this is how it comes from the factory. Notice the orange one is not peeled back, not exposed. That's because you very rarely use the orange one. So, call chart, brown wire is common, which goes to our negative, and normally closed is what goes to our positive on the fire lock. We'll use the green to our blue, which is normally closed. So if the gate's in a closed position, this activates it when it's in a closed position to open. And we'll put our white one on the brown. So brown is common, so the white's going to be common. So we take our same wires. Here, we got the white and the green. Red, pull that one out. So we have negative and positive. So the negative is common. So we will slide this into the common port. Screw it down. The green was connected to our blue, which is normally closed, which gives us signal to open the gate. Wire that down. Quick tug, and it goes. Now, if you have this box open while you're connecting this, as soon as you input this and the gate is closed, it will open right away. So if you have a pad mount, look out for your head. You're going to get hit because the gate's going to open. Here's the install firebox. Open the box. Gate opens.